Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you're all doing super fine. My name is Karan Soni. नाम तो सुना ही नहीं होगा क्यों? Sorry, just a bad joke. Okay. So, guys, in today's session, we are gonna learn about the concept of depreciation. I hope you all have checked your timetables, okay? I think some of you guys might not have checked it, but that's fine, it's okay. Now you have joined the class and we will learn the concept of depreciation. Okay? Actually, guys, some people really think that this concept is a bit tricky and difficult, but you don't have to worry about it. Okay? I'll tell you everything in detail so that you will have no problem in applying this concept in your accounting exam. Okay? So don't worry, just sit back and relax. But do not relax too much, okay? You need to keep your focus on the explanation, right? Okay, so now let's continue. So, first of all, guys, we will understand what is actually the concept of depreciation. So, guys, you all know about asset, right? I hope you all remember what is the concept of asset. An asset is something which is used by a business. Okay, you already know about it. I don't have to go in too much of a detail, which is used by a business to earn money or to generate a cash flow, right? For example, a transport company uses trucks for transporting goods for their customers, right? So that truck is an asset for the transport company. Okay. Now, the concept of depreciation is actually connected to this concept of asset, right? Let us first read it and then understand it in details. So, guys, depreciation is an accounting concept that refers to the reduction in value of an asset over time. Guys, it is very important here. Reduction in value of asset over the time due to wear and tear. I can say simple, due to use of asset, okay, or obsolescence and some other factors. Now this presentation provides you an overview of the concept and calculation of depreciation. I'll give you another example. See, I have this laptop on which I am teaching all of you guys. Now, I'm using this laptop since 2 years now. Okay. I have purchased this laptop at 40,000 rupees 2 years back. Okay. Now, if I go out to sell this laptop, do you really think I am gonna get back my 40,000 rupees? No, absolutely not, sir. You will say you have used this asset for 2 years now. So the value of this laptop is going to decline because I have used it over 2 years. The same goes with your mobile phones. You buy today, and if after 6 months you go out to sell this phone and you want to get a new one, you will not get full money for the old phone, right? So the same concept of depreciation applies. The value of asset keeps on decreasing over time. Okay, when we use it, right? So that is a simple concept of depreciation. Next, there are various types of techniques which are used to calculate depreciation. Actually, guys, it depends on the type of asset also. Okay, so what are the several types of depreciation techniques we have? So we have here a straight line depreciation, which is a very simple concept, and we are going to learn it today only. Okay. In the upcoming sessions, we will learn all the different types of calculations of depreciation, and all are easy. You don't have to worry about. You don't think that okay, sir says only straight line is simple. No. All the methods are easy and simple. You don't have to worry. Okay. Next, declining balance method. We can also say it as a reducing balance method. Okay. or return down value method. We will learn about it, don't worry, in the upcoming sessions only. And next one is the sum of the years digit method. It is also a different concept of calculation of depreciation, and we will learn step by step everything. As of now, you just have to keep in mind that okay, sir, there are three methods. Okay, the first one is the straight line method, the second one is the declining balance, and the third one is the sum of years digit method for calculation of depreciation. That's cool. All clear with you? Okay, next. So we will see, as I already told you, each method calculates depreciation differently and may be suitable for certain type of assets. I'll tell you an example. Like if I talk about a crane uh, and the wheels of the crane, crane have different type of wheels. The tires used that are very huge tires, like very huge. The aeroplane tires or the cranes or the JCB, they have a very huge different type of tires, right? Now that these tires cannot be used for so long time. Okay, now in case of these tires, we have to apply the sum of the years digit method. We'll see that, okay, we can use this tire for 5 years, maybe 5 years or 3 years. So we'll apply depreciation that way, right? Let's continue with the concept. In this session, we are gonna understand the straight line method. Straight line method is the most commonly used. As I told you, it's very easy and a commonly used method of calculating depreciation. A layman will be able to understand it very easily. Okay. You see, there is no as such difficulty in calculating depreciation using straight line method. Anyone can do it. I'll give you an example and you'll understand. It involves dividing the cost of asset by its estimated useful life. Guys, very important. We have to mark it important that what information we need here is the estimated useful life of the asset. Okay. For example, I was talking about my laptop. Now, to calculate depreciation on this laptop, I need to have an estimate कि यार ये मेरा लैपटॉप जो है वो कितने साल चलेगा, how many years I can use it. So if I think, okay, I can use it for 5 years, okay, and my laptop value is 40,000 rupees. The value of my laptop, the purchase price was 40,000 rupees, and it is going to last for 5 years. So how will I calculate depreciation for a particular year, for a single year? So what I'll do is I will just divide 40,000 by 5. Very easy. The answer will be 8,000. Please don't ask me, sir, how you got this answer 8,000. How you know? Guys, it's very easy. 40 divided by 5, 8,000. Okay. I hope no one needs calculator for this calculation. Okay, please don't do that. Do not use calculator for this type of calculations. Okay, sorry, bad joke. So I think you have understand this concept of straight line depreciation. Very easy. Okay, nothing to worry about it. Okay, I'll tell you something. Sometimes we have a salvage value of an asset. So what is this salvage value? Actually, it's very simple. See, I have this laptop and someone told me that my friend, whenever you go out to sell this laptop, you will get at least 4,000 rupees. Okay. So 4,000 rupees is my salvage value. Please note, I have purchased this laptop at 40,000. Okay. And whenever I'll go out and sell this laptop, I'll get 4,000 for sure. So this is my salvage value. I'll get it. Okay. So now if we have salvage value given, what we'll do is we calculate depreciation by deducting salvage value from the cost of asset. See, what I'll do is I'll deduct 4,000 from 40,000 and then I will divide it by 5. You understand it? Very simple. Okay. So that is the concept of straight line depreciation. I hope everything is super fine with all of you. Don't worry, we'll have a doubt session also. If you have any doubt, you can ask me there. I'll give you more detailed explanation if required. No need to worry at all. Just relax and try to grasp more and more. Okay, let's go on another slide. So here is the calculation of depreciation formula, which I already explained you in the earlier slide, so not much here. So the formula for calculating depreciation using straight line method is very simple: cost of asset minus salvage value. I just gave you an example. Upon the estimated useful life, guys. See, you cannot have a guarantee of a useful life of an asset, okay? But you can have an estimate, right? कि भाई जरूरी थोड़ी है ना कि ये मेरा लैपटॉप 5 साल चले ही, शायद इसमें कुछ प्रॉब्लम आ जाए 3 साल बाद। तो गारंटी नहीं होता है। देयर इज नो कन्फर्मेशन, अ कंफर्म गारंटी दैट इट इज गोइंग टू लास्ट फॉर 5 years, बट इट इज जस्ट एन एस्टिमेट बेस्ड ऑन माय यूसेज। ओके, आई यूज थिंग्स वेरी प्रॉपरली, आई कीप थिंग्स वेरी safe. So I thought that okay, I can at least keep it for 5 years. So for me, the useful life is 5 years. Some another person who have very rough usage, कोई यूट्यूबर है जो दिन भर बैठ के एडिटिंग करता रहता है, धड़ 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 करता रहता है, तो शायद उसका लैपटॉप 5 साल नहीं चलेगा। उसके लिए वो लैपटॉप 2 साल 3 साल चलेगा, क्योंकि वो दिन भर एडिटिंग करता है, राइट? बहुत सारी कीज प्रेस करते रहता है, बहुत सारे सॉफ्टवेयर डालता है, बहुत कुछ करता है। लेकिन मुझे ये सब नहीं करना ना, मुझे तो पढ़ाना है बस। तो मेरे लिए वो 5 साल टिक सकता है, लेकिन जरूरी नहीं है कि यूट्यूबर के लिए 5 साल टिके, राइट? सो ही मे apply depreciation basis on his estimation. He estimates that I'll be able to use this asset for 3 years, so I'll apply depreciation as per 3 years, so he'll divide the total cost by 3. Simple. Okay, next, the formula for calculating depreciation using the declining balance method. Do you remember the another name for this method? I told you reducing balance method, and another one is the WDV method. No need to worry about these methods. I will explain you in detail each and every method. Okay, just relax. As of now, you just try to grasp what I am telling you right now, because this is the first session of this chapter. So everything will be super clear. No need to worry. Okay. So just for your reference, I'll tell you the formula for calculating depreciation using declining balance method is the book value or the purchase price, purchase cost for the first year only. Okay. After that, it will be book value for after years. Okay. So purchase cost into the rate of depreciation. The rate of depreciation must be given in your question, like 10%, maybe 20%, whatever the rate they want to apply. Okay. In reducing balance method, you will be given a rate and you just apply that rate on the assets. Let's take a simple example. If the asset have a book value of 2 lakh rupees, okay, and your depreciation rate is 10%. So how will you calculate depreciation? Guys, very easy, yeah? Nothing to worry about. The depreciation rate is equal to 2 lakh multiplied by 10%. Super easy. 20,000 rupees. सिंपल। बताओ इसमें क्या डिफिकल्ट है यार? कुछ भी नहीं है। आप खामखा सोच रहे थे ये टॉपिक तो काफी डिफिकल्ट होता है सर, कुछ भी नहीं होता है। और हमारे होते हुए तो कुछ भी आपके लिए कॉन्सेप्ट डिफिकल्ट नहीं रहेगा, चाहे कोई भी कॉन्सेप्ट हो जाए। ठीक है, सिर्फ आपको क्लास में ध्यान देना है, वो आपकी ड्यूटी है बॉस। ठीक है, लेट्स कंटिन्यू। तो आगे चलते हैं। नाउ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट guys, see, we calculated depreciation amount. Okay, so I got 8,000 rupees depreciation on this laptop for 1 year. Okay, I got it. But what to do next? How I will include this information in my accounting treatment, so that now we will understand accounting treatment of depreciation. So depreciation is recorded as an expense, guys, very important. It is an annual expense. I want you to focus on this word. It is an expense, but very important. But it is not leading to any cash outflow. We are not paying cash 8,000 rupees every year. I have already paid 40,000 for this laptop, right? Now I am calculating depreciation 8,000 per year. Okay. But am I paying another 8,000 every year to someone as an expense? No, I am not doing that. Right. So in that case, we conclude that depreciation is an expense, but it is a non-cash expense. It is not leading to any cash outflow. याद रखना, बहुत जरूरी, बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट बात बता रहा हूं आपको। डेप्रिसिएशन एक्सपेंस तो है, लेकिन ये एक्सपेंस से आपका कोई कैश पेमेंट नहीं हो रहा है। कैश तो आप पहले ही पे कर चुके हो जब आपने असेट खरीदा था, समझ रहे हो? इट इज अ नॉन कैश एक्सपेंस। समझ गए सर? अब कभी नहीं भूलेंगे, पक्का? यस। When we'll study cash flow statement, maybe in the higher standards, you will remember this point. Why I tell you that depreciation is a non-cash expense and what is the use of it. As of now, you don't have to worry about it. Okay. You just keep in mind, okay, depreciation, because we are not paying any cash, it is a non-cash expense. Simple. Nothing more to be done. Okay. So depreciation is recorded as an expense in the income statement and as an accumulated depreciation in the balance sheet. I tell you the concept of accumulated depreciation. See, in the first year, I apply depreciation as 8,000. Okay. In the second year, I apply depreciation another 8,000. So at the end of 2 years, how much depreciation I have charged in the income statement? So you will say, sir, in the first year 8,000, in the second year 8,000. So total you have charged is 16,000 rupees. Okay. So this total depreciation as on a particular date of balance sheet is shown in accumulated depreciation account in balance sheet. Okay. We will learn about this concept in more details in the upcoming session. You don't have to worry about. The accumulated depreciation represents the total amount. Keep in mind the total amount of depreciation that is charged to an asset over its useful life. Super easy. Okay. Any problem, any worries? No space for any worries. Okay. When Karan sir is explaining you all this in super details, right? And this is only the start. So this is just a trailer of a big movie. Okay. We will learn a lot. But as of now, this is the basic treatment which you have to keep in mind. I'll tell you the journal entry also, okay, so that you will have a better clarity. So how will we make a journal entry for this? So we will say by depreciation account debit 8,000 to accumulated depreciation 8,000. This is gonna be our journal entry for depreciation. This is very easy. Sir, tell me one thing. Okay, what? Tell me why you debited depreciation account. I don't understand. Is someone of you asking this question? See, we have already understood that depreciation is an expense because we are using that asset in our business, right? So it is our expense. And when expense increases, we have to debit it now. You understand those traditional and modern classification theories of accounting, right? So in that theory, we have studied that when an expense increases, debit; when expense decreases, credit. So that's why we debited depreciation account, right? Next, let's go to another slide, and which is the last slide for today's session, because this is a trailer, so I cannot keep the trailer very long. Okay, I have to keep it short. Once you understand the trailer properly, then you are ready for the full movie. Okay. So the last slide, importance of depreciation. Someone might ask that, okay, but why we want to do it? You know, why can't we charge the whole purchase price of asset in the first year only? But that will be not fair, I think. See, because I am gonna use this laptop for 5 years, okay, right? So how can I charge the total cost of laptop in 1 year only? That will be wrong. Okay, you can understand. So importance of depreciation. There are several reasons we charge depreciation. It helps to allocate the cost of an asset over its useful life. So the same thing which I explained. Its life is 5 years, so we allocate the cost in 5 years. Simple. Why you want to keep the cost to 1 year only when the life is 5 years? So that will be incorrect, right? And that will lead to wrong calculation of profits ना. देखो, अगर मैं 40,000 पहले ही साल में चार्ज कर दूंगा, तो कितना बड़ा एक्सपेंस दिख रहा है, 40,000 का एक्सपेंस दिखाई दे रहा है, तो आपका प्रॉफिट कम हो जाएगा ना। फिर प्रॉफिट कम दिखेगा क्योंकि आपका खर्चा बहुत बढ़ गया, तो आपको टेंशन आएगा, अरे मेरे बिजनेस में लॉस हो गया। समझ रहे हो आप? लेकिन उसकी जगह मैं उसको 40,000 को 5 से डिवाइड कर दूँ और हर साल 8,000 रुपीज़ चार्ज करूँ, तो आप भी खुश रहोगे। चलो भाई, मेरा प्रॉफिट है, आई एम अर्निंग गुड प्रॉफिट्स, राइट? एंड वो तो सही है ना, मैं आपको कोई गलत इन्फॉर्मेशन थोड़ी दे रहा हूँ, मैं तो सही बता रहा हूँ कि भाई एसेट 5 साल यूज़ हो रहा है, तो तू 5 साल में उसका खर्चा दिखा दे। गॉट इट? सिंपल। It ensures that the expenses are matched with the revenue generated by the asset. This asset is gonna help me earn money for 5 years. You understand? It is gonna help me earn money for 5 years. So I have to charge the expense against the revenue of 5 years. Simple. The concept of revenue recognition, you might be remembering it, right? नहीं याद है तो भाई रिवाइज कर लेना एक। कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ रेवेन्यू रिकॉग्निशन यहाँ पे यूज हो रहा है। ओके, अंडरस्टूड? एंड इट प्रोवाइड्स an accurate picture of the company's financial performance. I just told you na, that you need a correct value of profit in your income statement. So if you charge the whole amount of asset in first year only, your profit will be a wrong figure, right? So that's why they are saying that it provides an accurate picture of a company's financial performance, right? So that is the importance of depreciation. So this is all, guys, I had today for you as a small introduction to the concept of depreciation, which you have learned with me, Karan Soni. And I hope you have understand. If you have some doubts, we can definitely have a doubt session and clear all your doubts. Don't worry, this is just a trailer. The movie is still to come. So you will understand each and every point very nicely. Okay. So that's all for the day. Thank you so much and take care, guys.